Greetings to all recruiters. It is an honor for me to giving a chance to present about me. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Faithful Habel Siregar, but you may call me Habel. I am turning 21 years old this year. I am originally from Jakarta, but now I live in Bandung. I am a student of Universitas Advent Indonesia, majoring in Informatics Engineering. This major is the first choice for me to pursue my future. The reason I chose to major in informatics engineering is that I feel interest in programming. And as a student, the basic but main concept to become a programmer is the reference that supports me to help other students. While I was studying, I assist the lecturer as one of my efforts to become student labor. The things I did were to help check for coding related tasks in solving a case study given by the lecturer. At that time, the language used was C++ as a language used to introduce what programming looks like. In applying my abilities as an IT, I have worked on a project in the form of a replica of the appearance of the Polytron company website using the Visual Studio Code application based on JavaScript language, CSS, and HTML. Furthermore, in connection with the position that over as a teacher of Python programming language, I also complete a project to create an artificial intelligence based number programming puzzle with the principle of BFS or breadth first search, DFS state for depth first search, and UCS. In addition information, I act as one of the teachers at my university in the framework of the student activity unit, which facilitates students to develop programming skills, both ICT students as well as from other majors. As a teacher, I pay attention to my demeanor to ensure that what I teach my student is well understood. When I teach, I also pay attention to the attitude of my fellow students. I try to help them if they have problems doing the case studying using programming, while helping them to train themselves so that they can do it on their own without needing help anymore. About the experience of working in the IT field, in February 2022, I helped to check the condition of the internet network used throughout the university. If there was a problem, I made a list consisting of the name of the network and its location. The reason I applied for Algorithmics is because Algorithmics is an internationally based company which makes me confident to start my career in this place. Besides, I have the ability to help someone understand something which I feel is suitable for a teaching position, especially in the field of coding. Being a good teacher, the attitude of paying attention to the students who are participating in the lesson is the main thing that needs to be considered in teaching and guiding. It is this attitude that I have developed since I was in high school and will continue to develop in achieving success, namely by bringing the people around me to understand together. I already have knowledge of the basic principles of Python programming, both from the basics to the theory of object-oriented programming. I also understand how the Scratch website works as a tool to understand real-life examples of algorithms through animation, although not in its entirety. And the reason for my career in algorithmics as a teacher is because this field is my goal that I want to achieve for my future. I will give my best if I can join the algorithmics teaching team. I hope that the information that I have submit can be taken into consideration for the recruiters to accept me as a member of your company. For your attention, I thank you and best regards.